Good morning, good afternoon. Today's Monday, January 14, and we're doing the morning business headline commentary. All right, so Happy New Year. Coming back, doing the commentary. We have the Dow relatively a little bit below, down about 200 points. Um, we do see some developments in the trade dispute, so we'll see how that plays out. See oil hanging around 50-ish. It did make a quick jump from the low 40s on the hopes of a trade dispute resolution. So go try and sneak into some higher pricing from the low 1200s. But you know my position on Go already. Alright, not much movement. So as I mentioned before, if you're not in the brokerage business, you would recommend holding cash at 2%. But other brokerage houses, they do need to sell stocks, so they do recommend other stocks instead of holding cash. All right. We do see the coming earnings seasons. We see how the damage of the trade dispute has done to various industries. Where there's a sudden lack of orders, missing orders, building a capacity that is not able to be used, and so forth like that. PG&E signaling they may file for bankruptcy due to so many liability issues, because the equipment was faulty and may have caused the forest fire that was like really humongous. Alright, so Nissan is not really on par with Toyota in introducing more powerful electric concepts. So Ford is debuting a 700 horsepower V8 Mustang Shelby. So that's a one powerful car. I wonder what their fuel efficiency are. Alright. Well, DC Comics, which is made Aquaman, they're a little bit less conforming to common sense in their comic book concepts. At least Stan Lee, the late Stan Lee, was able to use scientific concepts in their like Spider-Man reasoning. You know, I mean, on DC Comics, as long as they say it is, it is. Just like Superman, they say it is, and you have no need for propulsion. All right, the Supra is coming back after 20 years. So the more these internal, protests would be bad news for the stock price. They already reached back to $1,000, near $1,000 a share. Well, Western Digital makes hard drives. Well, it's like the overabundance due to lack of demand for the new iPhone in memory chips. So they're pushing the memory chips down in especially SSD hard drives. Um, so that's why it's more affordable now and the margins being squeezed. All right, let's look at the. All right, due to the federal shutdowns affecting TSA. A lot of car stories. All right, today's Monday, January 14th, 2019, and we're doing the morning business headline commentary. Something to note, I do have Indian followers. India's Modi went for a big hug on Amazon after I featured Amazon in my dated video. Um, I do have Chinese business followers. Some of them decided to buy out Germany's robotics firms after I featured these robotics arms in my supercar remix video. Something listed below. Alright, so that's two of the many sometimes actionable commentaries that I develop in the commentaries. So happy trading, everybody. Happy New Year. Monday, January 14th, 2019.